This one is for anybody who have tried all the different kind of products. You have tried shop bought products, you have tried DIY, but nothing seems to be working for you. You feel like your hair is growing too slowly and it is even shedding more than usual, or your hair just looks very dull no matter what you apply. What if I tell you that the solution is not another expensive product? It is not even a DIY spray or a DIY oil. It is not something you need to break a bank for. It is something that is already available in your kitchen. I am sharing the most underrated hair growth secret. Before we get to the ingredients, like this video and share it to your loved ones, and also subscribe if you haven't done so to be a member of the family, so anytime I post, you'll be one of the first to see it. The reason why your hair is not growing no matter what you try is that there could be a lot of buildup, dandruff, dead skin cells that is clogging your pores. Let's take the skin for example. Most times you need to scrub in order for your skincare product to work efficiently. That is why you have your body scrub. That is what your body scrubs are meant to do. They are supposed to lift up dead skin cell so the product will work very well. This equally applies to your scalp. Most of you neglect your scalp and you wish for your hair to grow. How does your hair want to grow if you don't scrub out the dead skin cells, the build up, and every other thing that is left on your scalp? That is what this video is all about. I will show you how to create the simplest scalp scrub that you can use to lift up dead skin cells and build up so your hair can start absorbing nutrients from the product you use. If this sounds like something you need, then watch this video to the end. Let's get started. The first thing we are going to need for this is sugar, grinded sugar. You can either use the brown or the white sugar, whichever one you have. The second ingredient is coffee. While the third and the final ingredient we need for this is a shampoo base. You can also use honey in place of a shampoo base for this. The coffee and the sugar scrub we are about to make is a natural exfoliating, scalp stimulating treatment that stimulates hair growth, reduces buildup, wake up your dormant hair follicle. If you're struggling with breakage, itchy scalp, clogged hair follicle, or stunted growth, then this video is about to change everything for you. You're going to need a plate to mix everything up. I'll be using this small rubber plate to mix everything up. First, we'll pour in our grinded sugar. Most of the times, people tend to forget their scalp. They only focus on their hair. They do treatments, they condition, they use herbal rinses, while forgetting the scalp, which is the soil. Your scalp is regarded as the soil because that is where the hair grows out from. And healthy hair can only grow out from a healthy soil. If I'm speaking to you, then do exactly what this video says. Now, adding the second ingredient, which is the coffee, add it into the grinded sugar and then mix it up until it is properly combined. Let me tell you what happens if you don't exfoliate your scalp. Dead skin cell buildup. The oil, the sweat, the product residues will clog your hair follicle. Your hair strands will struggle to grow through the buildup. There will be little or no blood circulation on your scalp, and your growth will become very slow, very weak, and uneven. That is when you notice that your crown area is longer than your kitchen area, which is the back of the hair. Think about it like this. You can apply all the oils and the products in this world, but if your scalp is blocked, your hair won't grow properly. That is why exfoliating your scalp is very crucial. It unclog, reset, and reactivate your scalp. Don't just focus on cooking for your strands alone. Cook for the scalp too. Don't even think of ignoring this video. Make sure you practice exactly what I'm teaching you here, and your scalp will thank you for it. Now, add in your shampoo base or your honey, depending on the one you're using. While we are mixing everything up, let me tell you about the two major ingredients we are using for this scalp scrub. The first one is coffee. Coffee is not just a morning energy booster. It is one of the strongest hair care secret weapons. And here is what makes it very powerful. Coffee contains caffeine, a natural stimulant that increases blood flow to the hair follicle. Better blood flow equals to more energy, equals to more nutrients, equals to faster growth and stronger hair growth. Coffee is also very good for reducing shedding. Coffee helps block DHT on the scalp, which is the hormone responsible for hair thinning and hair shedding. When DHT is attached to your hair follicle, your hair starts to fall out. But with caffeine, DHT doesn't have a place in your hair follicle. Another very important advantage of using coffee on your hair is that it improves the thickness of your hair. With consistent use, it will improve the density of your hair by increasing keratin production around your hair follicle. That is when you notice that your strands become thicker. After mixing everything up, this is the consistency we need, not so watery and not so thick. Coffee contains a natural antioxidant and color boosting compound. With coffee, you notice that your hair becomes darker. It also revives dull looking hair and also enhances shine. Your hair becomes shinier. This makes your hair look instantly healthy. One of the most important reasons I am using coffee for this is because coffee removes buildup, a very gentle exfoliant that removes dead skin cells, flakes, product residues and sebum buildup. Your scalp become cleaner, fresher and more breathable. To apply this on your scalp, you have to make a way for your fingertips to get into your scalp. To do this, you can either section your hair and walk in path, or just do it the same way I'm doing it, but ensure that you're scrubbing the scalp. The second ingredient, which is the sugar, is also known as a gentle exfoliant that removes dead skin cells from the scalp, which blocks hair growth. This increases scalp turnover and also improves the rate at which your hair grows. Another reason we are using sugar is that sugar prevents ingrown strands. Just by exfoliating your scalp, it prevents ingrown hair. Sugar helps prevent hair from coiling and getting trapped into the dead skin cells. Sugar is a natural humectant, which means it draws moisture into the hair and retains it. It also prevents the scalp from dryness and keep the hair hydrated. Once the buildup on your scalp have been removed, you will notice that your DIY product, the oils that you buy, your leave-in conditioner, everything start to work. The herbal teas you say don't work for you will start working. Just take care of the buildup on your scalp first. Using sugar to exfoliate your scalp will also improve blood circulation on your scalp. When you mix coffee and sugar together, it gives you exfoliation and stimulation. The sugar removes old dead skin layers and the coffee will activate new hair growth underneath. Blood flow will increase, your follicle will be unclogged and awakened. Your scalp becomes clean, oxygen rich and environmental rich. All you need to do last is to apply the product, apply that herbal sprays on your hair and it will work so well. This combination is like giving your scalp a deep cleanse and a workout at the same time. If you're finding it difficult to apply this mixture, damp your hair. It makes the application easier. And also section your hair, scrub directly on your scalp. Use your fingertips, not your fingernails, to massage in circular motion. Massage for 3 to 5 minutes. Focus on the troubled area if you have any, like your thinning edges, your crown, the area with heavy shedding. After application, let this sit in your hair for 20 to 30 minutes so the caffeine can activate. Use a shower cap or a plastic cap to cover up the hair and then wait. After that, rinse it out with water and follow up with your conditioner. If you are looking for a natural treatment that is easy, inexpensive and incredibly effective, then the coffee and the sugar scrub is a game changer. Let me know if you're going to try this in the comment section. Just with these two powerful ingredients, you can boost blood circulation, unclog your hair follicle, stimulate new hair growth, reduce shedding, improve thickness, brighten and refresh your scalp. Thank you for watching. I hope I see you in my next upload. Bye bye.